In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your bank account to Google AdSense account. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Google and then go ahead and just log in to Google AdSense just like so. So go ahead and click on it, then press on the first link that appears. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and log in with your AdSense account. Okay, once you load into Google AdSense, you should be greeted by a dashboard that looks like this. Google AdSense will actually keep track of your earnings, whether you have your own website or whether you are making money through YouTube. But in order to add your bank account, all you want to do you want to go to the left menu right over here and scroll down till you see this option that says payments. Then go ahead and select on payments info. Once you're over here, you will now be greeted by a screen that looks like this, and it will basically tell you all of your transactions, how much money you made, and your last payment. So in order to actually add your bank account, you want to go ahead and press on this option that says manage payment methods. And then there you go, guys. It is now going to open up this screen. And from here, you guys could actually go ahead and add a payment method, that payment method being your bank account. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on that, then go ahead and press on add bank account like so. And then you basically just want to go ahead and include all this information, the routing number, the account type, and of course the name on your bank account. Now keep in mind, after entering your details, you're going to see a test deposit for less than $1 within 3 business days, and that is basically how you're able to confirm your bank account with Google AdSense. So please just keep that in mind and be very patient. I would also like to note that in order to actually get a payment, you would need to at least make $100 in order to receive a payment, because otherwise you're just not going to get paid. So that is the threshold. As long as you make over $100 a month, then you should be able to get payments every single month. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.